Hi, I'm Charlotte.
And I'm Adam.
And we would love to visit your school on an author visit.
We offer a wide range of school visits based on our published books to suit your needs and can cover all your classes from nursery right through to year 6.
We could look at our fun picture books like One Banana, Two Bananas and our Tell Your Own Story series, where each pupil gets to create their very own storybooks from a template that we provide.
And I can offer sessions using my curriculum-linked non-fiction books, like The Street Beneath My Feet and The River That Flows Beside Me.
And I can also run storytelling workshops that support oracy, writing and history topics across Key Stage 2.
Whatever you're looking for, we're sure that we can find the content that will help you to support your children's learning.
You can find our contact details on our website.
And if you'd like to have an online meeting with us before the visit to help with your planning, we'd be happy to arrange that too.
We look forward to hearing from you.